This is Miss White with walkandrelax.net. Here's a message for you. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. See, my walking journey, it was a health success for me. And it began with me believing that it was possible for me to get out there and take this walk and do what I need to do to improve my health. See, self-doubt, it could stall progress before it even begins, but confidence, it acts as a fuel to pushing you forward when the path gets tough. When you truly believe in yourself, challenges now become stepping stones instead of roadblocks. That belief doesn't guarantee instant success, but it gives you the strength and the power to take that first step. And then we know each step after that first step, you got it. You could do it. And that's believing. And guys, if you believe in me and I believe in you, wow, we've done that. We've succeeded. So believe you can and know that you can. We got it. It's that simple.
Hi, are you alright?
I think so. Are these indoor plants?
Yeah, they certainly are.
Oh, good, good.
So that's £13.50. Do you want to pay cash or card?
Card, please.
Okay. Oh, a bit longer actually because it needs to...
There we are. Amazing, isn't it, really?
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Oh, those are nice.
Goodbye the All-Star.
Oh, don't worry, we're not going anywhere. That's £27, please. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Receipt.
Oh, no thanks.
Love it. Save the trees and all that. Have a good day.
You can understand, it's just...
Hi, how you doing?
Yeah, fine, sorry.
No, sorry, Joey, I wasn't talking to you.
Card.
Fantastic, yeah. Give me 2 seconds, Jerry. Do you think this would make a good present?
Yeah? I mean, I could gift
No,
wrap
go
before
on,
your...
Jerry. Yeah. Oh, fantastic. Nice one.
Next. Next. Next.
I don't know. I can't decide. Why don't we just get both? What do you think?
Oh, well, I mean, I love this one. Also, it's air purifying, so that's great.
Yeah.